Hello, welcome to the Chris Kane Academy, the YouTube channel which brings you about mathematics and biology. So now we are going to discuss about biology on the point called reproduction in general, but not especially the parts, but we are also discussing the different infections that are likely to be occur on the reproductive system and reproductive parts. So I would like to make subscribe, share, comment and like. So what is reproduction? You know that reproduction, it is a process of producing a young one, where a male and a female gametes form first a zygote, and then zygote developed into younger one. So there are different features that shows the person who is responsible to make reproduction. So there is what we call secondary sexual characteristics, where a man starts, for instance, from a man starts to have a deep voice, the beards and pubic hairs, and the different being large in body. So this shows that you are a mature enough as a boy. For a girl, it's where you start to have the breasts, the hips, the sweet voice, small one, and even they are entering the MP or menstruation period. So in this video we are going to try to explain more about different infections that are likely to affect the human being in their reproductive system. So as you see, this is the ovary of the woman, where it carries two eggs. It looks like this, and carries two eggs, where one egg is on one side and another egg is on another side. So it attaches here there due to its maturity. So by the time when reproduction starts, or they do sexual intercourse, it moves down to the uterus to find a sperm. So this is how it moves from where it is located to the waiting place called the oviduct, and later move from oviduct due to meet with the sperm cell. So the sperm cell, they are moving in the uterus of the human woman in this way. For them, they are fertile, they move, and they have the tails, which allows them to be in a fertile character. By them moving towards the egg, it penetrates into the egg, and if it reaches there, it divides that cell or that ovary into many parts. So you can ask yourself that how can we imagine that the human have organs, reproductive organs looking like this? So this is the reproductive organ of male. This is how it is strategically arranged. It have testis, ductus, gland penis, erectile tissue, prostate gland, urethra, epidermis, and so on. This is what we call male reproductive system. So for the female, it connected with the urinary system, where they have android gland and kidney, even the urethra. So down there it attaches to the reproductive system, where it ends up connected with the urethra. So in general, it is very important to study this point, because somebody they don't know how these things takes place. As you see, it enters until it reaches inside of the cell and release the organ from its head, where it carries its head, and then later it form a zygote. So while you are, by the time when we are doing an sexual reproduction, the sperms move out to at least 1 million sperm, and the one only cell it is involved in the reproduction. So it is better to know each and everything. You can imagine and ask yourself, how can the way of preventing the pregnancy using different methods? As you see, it is moving like this. This is the type of body So as you know, we have to do the sanitation or the general cleanliness for our private parts, especially for those girls. Have to wash well with a good means and try to bathe your parts clearly, because without doing that it will bring you into harmful, where you will suffer from different cancers and different diseases. So this is the disease affect female in the breast. So if you don't try to do your general cleanliness clearly, this will affect you. So it will be better to learn each and everything here by watching, and if you have any question, have to comment down there. We are able to respond to you. So you can imagine that how a baby born and how he or she move from the uterus to out and in which position. I think you are watching it, and it is very important to you to know this one, because some of them they don't know how things takes place. So this is the structure of internal parts of a female reproductive part, where we see the oviducts, uterus, and their respective egg. So a female carries about 3 million eggs, but by the time one become mature, it extends from where it are stored. So this is as an introduction to this point of reproduction. By the time we are soon coming with a good video showing you and explaining you each and everything about the reproduction system. So don't worry, everything is okay.